In this session, I will be going to discuss radar basics, how radar works, and what are the applications which are these regarding radar. Let us begin with first topic, that is the basics of radar system. Now in basics of radar system, we are using radar to identify the objects by using radio waves that was determined to range of unknown object and what is the angle it is there and what is the velocity of the object. And before that we use a radar system and it can be used to detect aircraft, ships, spacecraft, guided missiles, motor vehicles, weather formations as well as terrains. Actually, radar has been developed in before World War II for military purpose, and that was been developed in secretly for the purpose of war to have a identification of unknown objects like tanks, missiles, aircrafts, spacecrafts. Those are things which is what the basic purpose which was the regarding radar. And next topic is working of radar system. And before we see what is the working of radar, let us have a full form of radar. So radar, radio detection and ranging, or it could be radio directional ranging. By using radio wave, we are detecting unknown objects and we are doing ranging of objects. So in that we are identify what is the range, what is the angle and what is the velocity of that unknown objects. Now let us try to understand working of radar. So here I have a radar system, and with this radar system transceiver antenna. So this transceiver antenna is connected to the target. So in transceiver antenna 2 we can transmit transmitted waves or radio waves towards the target. So this is the transmitted wave. These transmitted waves are reflected again by this target. So reflected signal is also called as the echo signal. This is the reflected signal, that is nothing but a echo signal. Echo signal comes at radar system. Based on the echo signal radar, this radar can identify the what is the range of radar and what is the angle of the target is there and what is the velocity of this target is moving. So these are the basic things which are what we are calculating by this radar system. So in that we are calculating the range and velocity and the angle. These are three parameters we are calculating in this radar system. And next topic is advantages of radar system. Radar provides superior penetration capability through any type of weather condition like rain, fog and snow. It is very clear that we can use to radar even in the bad weather conditions like a rain, fog, snow. It can work in all these three conditions. Even it can be used in the night time also, day and night time also. So radar can determine the position of range, angle, velocity of objects. Radar does not need to have a clear visibility with line of sight to target, but by using radio waves we can identify position, range, angle and velocity based on the received echo signal. And also it can be used to detect static or moving targets. So it can be detect the non-moving targets or moving targets. And the next one is limitations of the radar system. What are the limitations of the radar systems? Radars cannot identify the color of the target, and next radars cannot resolve in the details like human eye, especially at short distance. For short distance we don't use radar systems? That reason is there will be a more noise in reflected received signal, so human eyes can have better resolution compared to radar for a short range. And next, radars cannot identify internal aspects of the target. These are the limitations of the radar system. And finally, applications of radar system. Applications of radar system in two parts. One is the civilian applications and another one is the military applications. In civilian applications, navigational aid on ground and sea, and radar altimeters for determining the height of the plane above the ground, and airborne radar for satellite surveillance, which is what we are using nowadays in our Google Maps. And next, radar can be used to detect and identify speed of vehicles, and that is what police were using to identify the speed of vehicles. So to detect and identify the speed of vehicles. So these are some basic civilian applications which is there with radar. And next one is military applications. It could be using detection and ranging of enemy targets, and we can aim guns at aircrafts and ships. And next, for bombing on ships, aircrafts, cities, even at night even there is no proper visualization, but by using radar system it could be identified. And it could be used to have detection of guided missiles. It could be used to give early warnings regarding approaching aircrafts or ships. So before, if unknown ships are moving towards our territory, it could be used to give early warning, like you should not come this territory, otherwise there could be restrictions will be taken against. So these are the military applications in radar system.